In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Notion. First, let's upload a file directly onto a page. Open your Notion page and click on an empty line so your cursor is ready. Type / the word file and press enter. This inserts a file block. From the options, choose Upload to pick a file from your computer. Using the / shortcut keeps your hands on the keyboard and speeds up your workflow. Once you select the file, Notion will add it right where your cursor was. You'll see the file name and a small preview or icon depending on the type. Clicking it will open or download it, so it's instantly accessible to you and anyone who has access to the page. This is great for adding things like PDFs, images, presentations, or reference documents alongside your notes. For large files, give Notion a moment to finish processing. Next, let's handle files inside a database, which is perfect when you want each row like a task. A project or a client record to hold its own documents. Open your database and add a new property. Set the property type to Files and Media. That tells Notion this column is designed to hold attachments. Now, click a cell in that column for the row you are working on and select Upload. Choose your file, and it will attach directly to that specific entry. This keeps files organized right where you manage your work, so you can filter, sort, and review items while keeping their related files close at hand. Here is also a lightweight alternative if you don't want to store a copy inside Notion. In the File block menu, choose Embed Link instead of Upload. This points the block to a file hosted elsewhere like a document in Google Drive or another cloud service without duplicating it in Notion. It's helpful when your team keeps a single source of truth outside Notion, or when you want to minimize storage usage while still making the file easy to find from your workspace. To wrap up, you've seen 3 simple ways to work with files in Notion. Add a file block on a page and use Upload. Attach files within a database by creating a Files and Media property and uploading to a cell. And reference external files by choosing Embed Link. Pick the approach that matches how you organize your notes, projects, and shared resources, and you'll keep everything clear, searchable, and exactly where you expect it. Thanks for watching.